Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and the practical series of the cloud computing. In this part of the video, we will see the part B of the web service. In the part 1, we already saw that how to create a web service and how do we deploy the web service on the Glassfish server and the various methods of the web service. In this part, we will see how do we consume the web service using Java application client. That means we first create a Java application client that is used by the web service and executes the various methods of the web service. So in this, we will first create a client which is a Java standard edition application, that is your simple Java application we have to create, and we call the web service in the Java application. So we start with the practical part. To consume the web service or to call the web service, we first create a new project and we have to select a Java application. Next, so now this is my web service Kelsey client. So this is the web service for calling the calculator methods, and then click on finish. So as we can see here, right, the application is created. Now in this application, just right click and web service client. We have to select this web service client option. So right click on the Java application, new, and web service client. So these are the options, right? We first click on browse. Now this is our web service calculator web service. In this we have a four web service methods, and then select this web service, click on OK. Just leave all the field as it is. There is no need to select the any package name and other things. Then click on finish. So in this way we can add a reference of the web service. This is my web service, right? As we can see here, in the web service we have a web service calculator, and we are adding the reference, right, of this web service in the web service client. As we can see here, right, this is the reference file, right, calculator ws, right? We have a 4 methods. Okay, now in the Java application, right, that is used to consume the web service, right, we have a file called as web service Kelsey client. Okay, this is my file. So after a main method, right, we have to drag this add method and drop. As we can see here, this is my add method. Okay, in the same way we drag and drop all the 4 methods of the web service. Second, third, and then fourth. So we have to drag and drop this all. As we can see here, add, division, multiplication, and subtraction. These are the 4 methods, right? We already added a reference, right? This is our package name. From this package we are calling calculator ws, and we are creating an object of the calculator web service, that is your service, using a operator new. All these methods are drag and drop in the client side. Okay, now we write a code in the main method. Okay. So since we have a 4 methods, so first of all we will start with the try and catch. Control space bar and just press enter. In catch we will print as error, that is your system.out.println, right? We will just print this error message E. Okay, now to call this web service method, we have to pass 2 parameters. So first we take an integer number a equals to 10, then integer b equals to 5. So these are the 2 variables, right, that are passed to hold the value in n1 and n2. These are the 2 methods, right, that are the 2 variables that are used for passing the parameter to the methods. Now we call all this web service method. Now first R1, that is your result one. Since all this method has the return type double, therefore we store this value in the double variable. Add and a comma b. So this will call the first web service method, that is your addition. So in the same way we will call 4 methods, then store the result 2, 3 and 4. Then instead of add we call sub, then mult. These are the web service methods name, and division. So all the methods of the web service are called and stored in R1, R2, R3, R4 respectively. Now we display the result, that is my addition equals to plus R1. In the same way we print, copy and paste R2, R3, R4. Then we change this message, addition key, instead of addition we write subtraction, then multiplication, and then division. So in this way we can consume the web service in the client. Now execute. Okay, now we execute the client program. Just right click on this file, run file. As we can see here, right, all the web service methods are called addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We are passing the two values 10 and 5. On the basis of this, add will add this 10 plus 5, 15. As we can see here, there is a 15. So this is all about the how to consume the web service in the client side. I hope you understood this session.